My name is Amin, software engineer and PhD in embedded systems. I joined UNOS from the beginning in 2016 as co-founder, CTO until 2019, and currently Chief Operating Officer. I received my PhD degree in 2010 in embedded system, and from 2010 I was in charge of developing safety-critical software in different domains, in avionics, medicals, critical IoT solution, UAV software. And in 2016, I joined UNOS as co-founder to build and to develop a safe and modular autopilot in compliance with aeronautics standards. Today I want to introduce some regulatory aspects of the drone systems, particularly in European context. The EASA, the European Aviation Safety Agency, was in charge of developing a risk and operation-based regulation framework for all types of drone. And they classified them into three main categories. First, we have the open category for the low-risk operation like entertainment or simplified professional operation. Second, we have the specific category for the medium-risk operation, which are not covered by the open category and which not reach a very high risk, like beaverless operation for delivery or inspection in sparsely populated area. And finally, we have the certified category for the highest risky operation, like delivery in urban environment. In the specific category and for the high risky operation, the manufacturer should carry out a risk assessment based on the SORA methodology. To mitigate the identified risk, the manufacturer should provide a drone which comply with the operational safety objective called OSO. The identified OSO are addressed differently from the sale level outcome from risk assessment. And in the SORA methodology, the sale levels vary from level 1 to level 6. The more risky the operation is, the more objective there will be to achieve. And starting from sale number 3, design verification will be operated by EASA to validate that the mitigation measures have been taken into account and to validate that the operation could be operated. In the certified category, the drone system should be certified using standards and approaches very similar as the ones used in the manned aviation, like DO 178C standards for the software part. UNOS wants to help manufacturers to build and to certify drones in the specific category from Sale 3 to Sale 6 and in the certified category. UNOS provide an autopilot solution developed in compliance with avionics standards to meet with the regulation requirement. UNOS have also hardware partners, which provide certifiable hardware to build and to provide an overall subsystem that the manufacturer could integrate easily. For manufacturer, the autopilot is one of the main complex subsystems to integrate and to certify through the development lifecycle of the drone to meet the regulation requirement. Today, it's difficult for them to find a suitable codes that they can reuse directly due to the specific aspects of each drone. And it's very difficult for them also to implement by themselves an autopilot, and especially a certified autopilot, because they need specific skills. In this context, UNOS provide a certifiable autopilot that the manufacturer could integrate easily while reducing the cost of meeting the regulation requirement. We are convinced that the drone market will grow on large scale only if the safety requirements are addressed. And the regulation is an essential element to guarantee and to define this safety to the users, to the manufacturers, and to the overall market.